Hi, Shane here from Bushranger 4x4, and I'm keen to unbox and share with you our latest product, the Bushranger Covert Model Recovery Winch. This winch has been designed right here in Australia with modern vehicles in mind and specifically for use in the four-wheel drive and overlanding markets. Our engineering teams have put years of testing and validation work into this product, so let's jump right in, open it up and check out its features. The very first thing that you'll notice with this winch is one of its main features. No remote mounted control box. With a max rated line pull of 10,000 pounds, this model is ideal for dual cab utes and wagons, and it's fitted with a synthetic rope and aluminium horse fair lead. What you can really see also is the quality of this unit. Being designed and engineered right here in Australia means it's built to perform to our high standards and withstand one of the most rugged and harsh environments in the world. The pre-treated powder coat finish on the housings with these tinted polycarbonate covers across the rope and the inbuilt switch gear really stand out. So on the motor side, this is the heart of the Covert winch. This is our bespoke Albright Industries contactor. It utilises bus bars for a direct connection into the switch gear into the motor. Albright Industries, based within the United Kingdom, are the best in market when it comes to DC contactors and are known to produce the most reliable contactors across many industries. This Covert inbuilt contactor took a lot of development that not only improves the motor efficiency, it provides a compact, less intrusive fitment. You no longer need to mount a control box on top of the winch, the bull bar, or relocate a box to fit your desired bull bar that can then interfere with modern vehicle radars and sensors, airflow, or the style of the bar. It really gives you that Covert look. Developed alongside the contactor is a purpose-built, tuned 12-volt series wound motor. This motor puts out 4 kilowatts or 5.3 horsepower of power and works harmoniously with the gearbox to achieve the correct rated line pull, a low current draw, and 20% faster line speeds than the previous generation winch. The motor has been put under immense amount of lab and field testing and has proven itself to be both reliable and efficient. Looking at the one-piece tie bar, this is a great support between the motor and gearbox. We have 28 meters of high-grade black synthetic rope wrapped around the steel drum. This rope is protected with a protective sleeve for increased protection for when being dragged over sharp objects and rocks. Over to this side, we have the two-stage planetary and the two-stage spur gearbox. The large steel gears improve the distribution and longevity. Located in the gearbox, we also have our proven proportional friction braking system. Not only keeps heat away from the synthetic rope, the gearbox mounted braking system gives 100% load holding, and the best part of this braking system, it allows you to power out under no load without any damage to the winch. So rather than reaching for the clutch handle, which is often found in the tightest of locations, you use the hand controller to power out and unspool the rope. To speed up an installation, the clutch handle has actually been factory preset into this position and is suitable for 90% of bull bar fitments. But if required, the gearbox can be rotated simply by 22.5 degree increments. Back to the motor side, this has the capability to be rotated in 5 positions in 45 degree increments. The rotation of the gearbox and the motor allows greater versatility for fitment into any vehicle or bar combination. As the Covert winch will be used in the elements, the motor and gearbox have been tested and are rated to IP68 for water and dust ingression. And it weighs lighter than our previous generation winch, with a total complete fitted weight of 31.5 kilograms. If I spin the winch around, you can see for even simpler installation, the winch is pre-wired with heavy-duty power cables that are protected with conduit. It's almost a plug-and-play fitment. As for the remaining components in the box, the Covert winch comes standard with an isolator switch and universal mounting bracket. It comes with a cover plug and a lanyard to keep that key secured. The bracket also has a place for the winch control plug. We also have a length of conduit covered power cable to connect directly to the battery. Over here we have an all-black 2-position aircraft grade aluminium fairlead with 2 mounting options, offset and inline. This is accompanied with a black hook with a black pull tag that really gives it that covert look. We have a dual connection 5-meter wired or a 30-meter wireless range hand controller for operating the winch. This remote on wireless setting uses RF frequency. It's a small compact unit with a replaceable A23 battery. Being IP66 rated, the controller inside the unit is a lacquered PCB with a built-in redundancy that will stop any malfunction in case of water ingression. Within the box we have all of the required high tensile steel fixtures and a comprehensive owner's manual. We recommend reading thoroughly prior to installation or use of the winch. This is a complete winch package with years of Australian engineering development. We supply the Covert winch with a lifetime warranty and 7-year electrical warranty, being supported with a global network of retailers and fitters. For further information or to find your local stockist, head to bushranger.com.au.